Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over a really simple method that absolutely anybody can get started with, and the best part is you can get started with all of this for free, and I'll share with you how this method works. We'll go over the resources and I'll give you the tools that you will need to get this whole thing up and running. And you've basically got 14 days with this before you've got to start potentially paying for this, but don't worry, because by the end of the 14 days you'll pretty much have this up and running if you go ahead and do what I'm going to share with you in this video. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. So for today's video, we're going to need a platform, and it's this one over here. It's Instagram. Now don't worry, I'm not going to get you to create an account on here. What we're going to do is we're going to try and find people, and I'll walk you through this whole process. So you can see on here, I've just typed in #lifecoach, and then we're going to go through the top ones. And look, don't worry, this doesn't just work with life coach. You can do this with mentoring. You can even work with local businesses with what I'm going to share with you. So I'm just going to go with this example here, and we'll click on this account. Let's have a look at the person's account. So 1,800 followers. I help coaches. How can I serve you? So let's click on here and see where it takes us. And this is her landing page, basically. It doesn't look that great, does it? Especially on a laptop. Let's go to the next bit. Here's how I can help. Alignment activation call. Reiki sessions. What else have we got on here? Balance with daily YouTube channel. Made with milkshake. Make your own website. Okay, so I think you'll agree, it doesn't look that particularly great, does it? So what we're going to do is we're going to build something better for her, and we're going to reach out to her. Now that's an example of someone who's actually got a funnel set up. Let's go ahead and have a look at someone else. What's this here? Let's go into the profile. Free coaching. Let's have a look at this. 12 days of manifesting. So this person has got something set up. It's a bit out of sources, but again, you can reach out to this person. And the great thing about this whole method of what I'm going to share with you today is, once you've created one of these templates, you can literally reach out to so many different accounts with this entire method. So if I scroll down here, let's just have a look at one more. How to set yourself up for a productive. Let's go and have a look at this person here. Now look at this person here, Life with Hillies. Come over here, look, she's sending people over to Linktree. Look, one-on-one coaching interest form. Here comes the Sun podcast. So what we can do is we can build something for them a lot better than this. And let me show you how this works, because once you've built this, you reach out to them and you send it over to them. And I can tell you now, when people see something, with their picture on their branding and other bits, they do like it. And literally, I mean, not everyone will sign up for this straight away, but it's purely a numbers game. So it's just going through Instagram and finding these profiles whereby they're sending people over to, this page here. It's a lot of wasted space. We've also got this one here, and then the other one we looked at, which was this bizarre one here. So how would you do this? So there's a link below. It will take you over to this platform here. It's called ClickFunnels. If you use the link down below, you'll get 14 days free access to this. Once you do that, literally this is in the back office, you come over here and you click on funnels, and then you click on create a funnel. Now look here, this is step 1 of 2, and it's really quick. So down here you've got industries. So look, author, speaker, coach, consultant. So I'm going to click on this one. Now look what have we got here. We've got a video sales letter, a 2-step tripwire funnel. We've got lots of other bits in here. So you just basically go through and have a look at some of these funnels that you can basically get up and running. So let's just go with this one here. Let's go further down. Come further down. So basically, you can just go into any of these. So let's just go with this one, a traditional website that pushes people into your funnel. So let's just go with this one as an example. And look, it tells you at the top here how long it will take you to build it. So it says it'll take you 30 minutes. It consists of 2 pages, and basically, come further down, you've got these different things here. So you can see kind of in a snapshot how this will look. And look, if you don't like any part of this, you can change it. So you see on here, you've got all of these free ones. Basically, any one of these will do. So if we're going, let's just go with this one here, for example. So click on Get Funnel so you can see it. You can see how it looks, how it's all laid out and other bits. Come up here, click on Get Funnel. And it just takes a second, it creates it for you. But what I love about this method here is you can use all of the ClickFunnels tools for free for 14 days. So with this method, you can create as many of these different types of funnels and other bits that you want for 14 days. And then once you've created this, you just reach out to the content creator on Instagram and you share your link with them and you say, look, I've created this whole funnel here for you. Would you want to have a look at it? And then you just send them your link here and they can check this out. And then at the end of it, you can say, look, you can buy this funnel off me for X amount of money. You know, you can charge however much you like. You can charge anywhere from like $200 all the way up to, you know, $1,000, because essentially this would be somebody's website. Or what you can say to them is you can actually sign up to this link here. So you see over here where it says publishing. Come over here and scroll down. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Sorry, I'm looking for settings. Come down here. You see this here, this share one. You just click on that. Click on go to, look, and then this is what is known as a share. Oh, sorry, it's because I'm logged into ClickFunnels. So click on here, click on copy. I'll go into an incognito tab. Come over here, paste this. And this is basically where they would see, look, the homepage preview and also the thank you page preview. But obviously we're going to edit this and we'll change the name so it wouldn't say foodie homepage funnel up here. But this is how this whole process works. So we'll come back over here. Let's go into the steps. And as I've mentioned, it's purely a numbers game. So if I click on edit page here, and I'll show you how quick and simple this is to do. So this essentially would be page 1 of their website. So if we scroll back up to the top, so let's just jump over to this one over here. So let's just go back. So this lady here, what's she got on here? Here's a bit about me. So I'm going to copy that, go back over to ClickFunnels. Okay, come down here, watch. Get rid of this. I'm going to paste this into there. Go back over here. So I'm just going to drag this over here so you can see. And basically all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take parts of this here, paste that in there. Here's a bit about me, so image over here. So let's just go ahead and grab this image. In fact, what I'd do is I'd go to her Instagram. Look at this one. It was this one, wasn't it? Come over here. Was it this one? Yes, it was. So I'd come over here, just grab this, click on new, paste this into here, file, save as. Just do this really quickly. Go back over here, go back over to into here, click on this image over here, click on images, click on add image. Oh, sorry, no, click on image, click on upload, find the image we've just saved, which was this one here. That loads up on here, click on there, look, click off there, look, and you can see just how good this looks compared to what she's currently using. So if you look at this over here, And then you look at this here, it just looks so much better, doesn't it? And on here, you'd literally just put a couple of their Instagram images in here, put in some text that they're using on the page. Once you're happy with all this, you simply click on save. And you can see updates will appear live. And then we'll go exit out of there. And then you've also got a thank you page in here as well. So again, you just go into here and make some edits in here. But if I just go back into the home page really quickly, click on here, I just want to show you one last thing on here. And this is the reason why I not only use this software, but I also recommend this. If you want to add any part into this, it's really simple. So you see at the top of here, you click on elements, add an element. And look, you can put in headlines, sub-headlines, you've got images, videos on here, buttons, and lots more. And all you do is you just drag it from here and put it in over here. So you can go through and change any part of this. So like, for example, if you didn't want, this section here, or you didn't want this title, you just click on delete. And look, that's that bit gone. Or if you liked a certain element, so for example, if you liked this part here, you just click on clone. And it clones it down below for you, and then you can go in and edit any part of this. But basically, once you're happy with it all and you click on save, that is it done. And then basically, as I've mentioned, you send this over to the person on Instagram and you say, look, I've created all of this for you. Do you want to have a look at it? This is your own, your own website, your own sales funnel, etc., etc. And then you can either charge them a set price and then you have this within your ClickFunnels account, or you can say to them, look, I've done this for you. Do you want to go? I won't charge you for it. Here's a link, sign up, and you can go in and edit this and amend it and play around with it as much as you want. And then if somebody signs up for this, then you earn a commission for doing so. It's a really simple way to basically get up and get, earning some extra money. And you've got 14 days to try this for free. So you create a page. Once you've created the page, come out of here. You take this link here. And then you go over to that person on Instagram and you simply message them. Send them a message on Instagram saying, look, I've created this whole page for you. This is what it looks like. And you could take a screenshot of this if you wanted. So you could literally grab this, take a screenshot and say, I've created this for you. Would you like to have a look at it? I'm pretty sure a lot of people will want to have a look at it when, they've got images of them not on there and other bits. And look, you can do this with absolutely any niche or any category. You can do this with local businesses, online businesses, influencers, and I use that word very loosely, business coaches, health, fitness, etc., etc. As you've seen with ClickFunnels here, it's really simple and it's really quick to edit everything. And personally, I'd say it's beginner friendly because it is just drag and drop. So look, that's today's video. There is a link to this below if you want to check it out for 14 days for free. But look, give it a go. You've got 14 days. You've got all of the tools that you need to be successful with this. All it will take is some time and effort on your behalf. So go ahead, create an account for free for 14 days. Go over to Instagram, go through the process like I've shown you, and start literally creating these and sending them over to different accounts. So if you've got any comments, leave them down below. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.